Take a ride on the Monopoly Express.
First spin, pal?
Here we go. That's an upgrade ticket.
It's upgrade. What does that mean?
Oh, look at that.
Is that the best trade?
That's a, I think so.
Just give me some more upgrades. Oh, there we go.
Another upgrade. Let's get that train upgraded.
Let's get that train upgraded. I agree. Let's keep it spin going. Oh, what's happening? Oh, go back up.
Sweating, you're
Don't sweat me like
sweating.
that.
These trains
Wow, bro. That was sweaty.
Hop on board.
Each train is worth that? Oh.
Penny. Big bonus. Major. Minor. Major. Minor. Where you at, Minor?
Next stop, your wallet.
Stock my wallet with a minor. Oh, minor. 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 Major. Major.
Some word.
Ride that money train